penny pincher. We have the seat media blasted, and now we are going to be hitting it with black epoxy. Seal it up, so when it's underneath the new material, it'll be in good shape. And here is the finished bench seat, never to be seen again. It was all media blasted, stripped down to bare metal. We had 2 broken springs. Those are welded together, and we're good to go. And then the fuel cell is going to stay in its factory position. We thought we would paint that as well, just to clean it up. It's not perfect, but much better than it was. And for Project Penny Pincher, it's way above what the customer is looking for.
Got it all figured out?
No, I just dumped some of this stuff in there and
some water.
Mixing it up, yeah, see what happens.
I suppose I wasn't even thinking about that. I probably should have got the foam ones, huh?
Oh yeah. It'll probably last it.
It won't disintegrate before we're done.
Yeah.
Penny pincher. I have some orange paint in here. I have some red paint out there. We're going to fill in some of this gray. There's just too much of it. And then cover it up with the clear coat. We'll keep the patina on there, but we're going to hide a little bit of it with orange.
Okay, so Chris hit the cab with some of the red paint and a little primer, and Zach went and sanded some of it through just to blend it a little bit. The cab really had no red on it whatsoever. I believe the cab and the box were off of two separate trucks. So anyways, we sanded through just to bring back some of the rustic, because the new paint needed to be roughed up. So anyway, and then I went back through because some of the copper plating that we did came off with the sanding. So I went through and hit it again. And we've got the copper popping back through. So anyways, this bad boy is ready to be clear coated. We've got clear on the box.
Alright, just kind of down on your end a little bit. There we go. Right there.
Seeing this thing come back first it cuts out.
Right? I can probably just get it from there.
You are?
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
You betcha.
I should remember. I can't remember what he told me. That looks good.
Yeah.
I just want to do a real quick walk around with the 63 GMC. This thing's coming out beautiful. When most people think of the patina and such, they don't think of the high gloss. I think in this case, because of the high gloss, it really brought out the color that we would not have seen without it. It's a love-hate relationship. 90% of the people that have come in the shop really, really like it, love it. 10% go, it's not for me. You know what? Legendary Customs, we don't build them for everybody. We build them for the individual. And in this case, Rock wanted to have this look. I think it's awesome. The hood is beautiful, the bed is beautiful, the cab is beautiful. Anyway, I want to take you on a walk around so you can take a look at it. I mean, the color just pops. It was pretty dull and drab before the clear coat, and now it just really pops. Now we also did on the inside today, we used a spray-in, almost like a bed liner on the floor. He is thinking about not having carpet in here, so we wanted to put in something that's durable, that a guy could just take a hose and spray it out if wanted, and that does the job for us. Again, under the hood is going to be a beautiful brand new engine, transmission. Inside, we're having some seats done right now as we speak, and man, it's going to be different. When you see the next episode, you'll see them in there. Hinges, satin black. Now this bumper is off of a 1955 Chevy truck. That's actually off of the truck I owned in high school 30 years ago. Looks a lot better than the one that was all busted up. Now we actually antiqued those with copper plating. That turned out really nice. The guys are doing a phenomenal job on this truck, and Rock, I know you're gonna love it. You were here the other day, it blew you away. Man, you ain't seen nothing yet.
You guys ever seen that before?
No, sir, we haven't. I don't think I've ever seen it on the net or anything. Well, today we went to Rags and we picked up something that I discovered on the internet. They are selling big cowhides with the hair on them for rugs. And I asked Rock if he liked the looks of them, and he thought it was awesome. So we actually did the doors in cowhide, leather cowhide. And then you got to come outside. Check that out. So you've seen seats done in leather, obviously. You've seen seats done in vinyl. I've never seen seats done in leather cowhides with the hair still on them.
Cow. I gotta go, Julia. We got cows.
And with the look that we're going for on the outside and the look of this, I think it's perfect for what we got going on. Something unique. It's gonna be awesome.
Holy cow!
Yes. That's